Room tour. Ashlee Hub. Room 508. Ta-da! We got the safe here. Little seating area here. In front of a mirror. Bathroom. Boom. Got a tub. Toilet bowl. There we go, and here we are. We got television here. I don't think we have a refrigerator. I didn't really look. A little desk here. Sofa. Bed. Bed's kind of hard, but we'll manage. And the food menu is a QR code. We got breakfast from, I think they said 7 to 10:30 in the morning. Now check out this balcony. Got the balcony here for your smoking and I guess the dry stuff. Ooh, nice little hanger. So you don't have to do all that crazy stuff. Very roomy balcony. See outside. Somewhat of a view. We're here on the 5th floor. Rooftop pool and dining. And the room was less than $30 per night. So very nice pickup. Monica's pickup. This is Ariel Penn signing off from Ashlee Hub in Patong Phuket. Adios.